As a group, we have created an in-class resource called learnIT. The resource is a quiz-based application that promotes the education of sexuality for students. The game consists of questions linked to sexuality with the aim to inform and broaden the knowledge of students that they can use inside and outside of school. By answering questions correctly, students will progress around a virtual game board with the aim to finish first. The competitive nature of the game should increase the engagement, creating a positive learning environment. By applying an appropriate pedagogical perspective on issues surrounding sexuality, learners will be able to enhance understandings on the importance of sexuality.
Our game is designed to help support all kinds of students. This is easily achieved by enabling students to access the game via a laptop, via their smartphones, or even just to be played in front of the classroom with the teacher directing the conversation and how students answer questions. Our two modes of play are a normal mode, which is done with a parent device hosting the questions, preferably on a whiteboard, and then all the students logging in with a unique username, similar to those found in the Jackbox Party Pack games. Teachers can adjust what questions they want to give their class, should they want to provide a more appropriate experience for their KLA. Students are tasked with answering the questions on their device, and then whoever answers the question first will get a set amount of points and move forward on the board. Points are in the game to make sure that there is a tiebreaker element, so that means that players who answer all their questions correctly don't tie at the end of the game. Our second mode is a collaborative method of learning. If devices are unavailable for use inside the classroom, perhaps a mobile phone ban has been placed at the school, students are expected to then vote on what the answer would be, and should there be a time where students get the question wrong, they can easily talk within the classroom about what they could do to improve and how they can take away from this experience learning something.
As a group, we collaborated to create the resource, learnIT, with the view of giving students and teachers a platform to learn, revise, and discuss sexuality in a respectful and comfortable setting. Our hope is that the resource, which can be adapted across a range of KLAs, will allow negative discourses surrounding sexuality within schools to be broken down and aid in empowering students and teachers of diverse sexualities. By promoting sexuality learning in a gamified way, we hope that students who conform to both traditional and non-traditional sexualities will be able to find common ground to discuss their differences and develop the knowledge and respect to accept everyone regardless of their sexual identity.
Lastly, it is important to address the impact of the use of devices in the classroom, which aims to facilitate an improved form of communication and access to information that enables students to be involved with their learning regardless of time or place. By providing an online resource, the group as pre-service teachers are ensuring that our students are exposed to a technological approach to learning. This integration of technology ensures the classroom is being taught in line with the ever-evolving New South Wales curriculum. The resource we have chosen to create is intended to implement a sound understanding of sexuality to the students who participate in the game. By further following with group work and a discussion, we are ensuring that the knowledge being taught is appropriately being addressed in a PDHP lesson in accordance with the curriculum.